Today we are going to make chicken Doria, which is a rice casserole topped with white sauce, chicken veggie, and cheese. One of the Japanese Western style dish and popular for the young people in Japan. Oh, and also today I become a little bit lazy. I have these uncle beans already cooked rice. So, and then I don't have to cook rice, just using this one. Easy. So, let's get started. Okay, like this. Let's eat. いただきます。Loads of cheese. Ooh. 甘い。Super good. White sauce and cheese on top, really nice. And today I'm using this already pre-cooked rice. I just found easy. I carry on my lunch, and thanks for watching. Hopefully you can try it. Easy, yummy dish. See you next time. Bye.